Hello everyone. Do you ever find yourself struggling to find the right words in conversation? If yes, then this video is for you. Because in today's video, I'm sharing a list of super useful phrases for different situations. Because having the right phrases at hand can make all the differences in helping you speak English confidently and naturally. So let's get started. If you agree with someone, you can use the phrase I completely agree with you, or that's so true. I could not agree more. Next, if you disagree with someone, rather than saying directly no to someone, you can politely use the phrase I see your point, but I think I'm not sure I agree with that. That's an interesting perspective, but now the next one, to express your opinion, you can use the phrase in my opinion. In my opinion. Or I believe that from my point of view. If you're asking for clarification, the phrase which you can use is, could you repeat that please? Could you repeat that please? Can you explain that a bit more? Can you explain that a bit more? For politeness or making request, you can say, could you please? Would you mind? May I ask you to? The next one, to apologize. The phrase is, I am sorry. Please accept my apology. I did not mean to offend you. Now, if you want to thank someone, you can use the phrase, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I am really grateful for you. I appreciate your help. Now, to end the conversation, the phrase will be, it was great talking to you. Catch you later. Let's stay in touch. Now, to express excitement, you can use the phrase, that's amazing. I can't believe it. Are you kidding it with me? So that's all for today. Now, I hope these phrases help you in your day-to-day conversation and make it easy for you to speak in English. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe the video. And to improve your English, please stay with us and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.